Hello viewers! Welcome back to our channel. In this captivating video, we will delve into the rich history of yarrow, uncovering its traditional use in folk medicine and its significance in different healing systems. From its potential benefits for digestive health and skin wellness to its remarkable ability to aid in wound healing and soothe respiratory discomforts, yarrow stands as a versatile and powerful herbal ally. Yarrow, scientifically known as Achillea millefolium, is a fascinating medicinal herb that has been cherished by humans for millennia. With its delicate white or yellow flowers and finely divided feathery leaves, yarrow is not only a beautiful addition to gardens but also a powerful botanical ally in traditional healing practices. Join us on this herbal journey into the world of yarrow, a herb that not only graces our landscapes but also nurtures our bodies with its exceptional healing powers. Yarrow was revered by ancient Greeks and Romans, who named the herb after the legendary hero Achilles. According to mythology, Achilles used yarrow to treat his soldiers' wounds during the Trojan War. Indigenous tribes in North America used yarrow for its medicinal properties. They used the herb to treat various ailments, including digestive issues, wounds, and respiratory discomforts. In TCM, yarrow, known as Qinghao, was used to promote blood circulation, support digestive health, and alleviate menstrual discomfort. In Europe, yarrow was a cherished remedy for various conditions, including fever, digestive troubles, and skin issues. Yarrow contains flavonoids such as apigenin and luteolin, which have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. The essential oil of yarrow, obtained from the aerial parts of the plant, contains beneficial compounds that contribute to its medicinal effects. Yarrow contains alkaloids, which may contribute to its potential health benefits. It has sesquiterpene lactones, which have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Yarrow is a source of vitamins such as vitamin C and minerals like potassium and calcium. Number 1. Wound healing and hemostatic properties. Yarrow is renowned for its remarkable ability to aid in wound healing and stop bleeding. Traditionally, the fresh or dried leaves of yarrow were applied topically to wounds to promote healing and prevent infection. Number 2. Digestive health support. Yarrow has been used traditionally to support digestive health and alleviate digestive discomfort. The herb's bitter compounds stimulate digestion by promoting the production of digestive juices and enzymes. Yarrow is believed to help alleviate symptoms of indigestion, bloating, and flatulence. Number 3. Respiratory health. In traditional medicine, yarrow has been used to soothe respiratory discomforts and promote respiratory health. Yarrow's anti-inflammatory properties may help ease irritation in the respiratory tract and support lung health. Number 4. Immune-boosting effects. Yarrow is believed to possess immune-stimulant properties that help strengthen the body's natural defenses. The presence of flavonoids, such as apigenin and luteolin, contributes to its immune-boosting effects. Number 5. Skin health and beauty. Yarrow has been a beloved herb in skincare for its potential benefits on skin health. The herb's anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties make it valuable for treating skin conditions like acne, eczema, and rashes. Number 6. Fever reduction. Yarrow has been historically used to reduce fever and promote sweating during febrile illnesses. The herb's diaphoretic properties help the body eliminate toxins through sweating, assisting in the recovery process. Number 7. Emotional well-being and relaxation. Yarrow is valued for its calming and relaxing effects on the nervous system. The herb's aromatic compounds help reduce stress, anxiety, and promote emotional balance. Applications and precautions. Please note, some individuals may be allergic to yarrow. If taking any medications, please consult a healthcare professional before using yarrow supplements or products. Be sure to identify the plant correctly to avoid any toxic lookalikes. As we embrace the wisdom of traditional medicine and the healing gifts of nature, let us appreciate the potency of yarrow, a herb that not only graces our landscapes but also nurtures our bodies and souls. Incorporating yarrow into our wellness routines can offer us a window into the timeless wisdom of herbal medicine, where the gifts of the earth continue to inspire and heal, generation after generation. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please consider liking, subscribing, and sharing this video.